Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your cold email deliverability with Mailshake checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your cold email deliverability with Mailshake checks, start by logging into your Mailshake account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab in the main dashboard. Select the campaign you wish to verify. Once inside the campaign, locate the Email Verifier feature. Click on the Email Verifier option to open the verification tool. Input the email addresses you plan to use for your cold outreach. Mailshake allows you to enter multiple email addresses at once. After entering the email addresses, click the Verify button. Mailshake will begin processing the email addresses for deliverability checks. This may take a few moments, depending on the number of addresses submitted. Once the verification is complete, you will see the status of each email address. Look for statuses such as deliverable, undeliverable, or risky. Focus on the addresses marked as deliverable for your cold email campaign. If any addresses are labeled undeliverable, remove them from your list. For addresses marked as risky, consider verifying them through an additional service. Before you send out your cold emails, ensure you have a clean list to improve deliverability. Once you have filtered your list, return to your campaign dashboard. You are now ready to launch your cold email campaign with confidence. By following these steps, you can optimize your outreach efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.